Have you ever reached the end of your day and felt like you were busy all day, but accomplished nothing important? You had a plan, a single, crucial task to focus on. But your attention was pulled in 100 different directions, scattered by an endless stream of distractions. You weren't lazy, you were simply a victim of your own brain's design. Imagine this common scenario. You sit down at your desk, ready to tackle a big project. You know what you need to do, and you feel motivated to start. This is your moment of intention. But then, your phone buzzes. A notification from a social media app. It's nothing important, but you glance at it anyway. Just for a second. That 1 second turns into 5 minutes. Then an email alert pops up on your screen with an urgent subject line. You switch tasks to deal with it, telling yourself you'll get right back to the project. Before you know it, an hour has passed. You've answered emails, scrolled through feeds, and handled minor requests, but the important project remains untouched. Your focus has been stolen. This isn't a failure of willpower. It's a conflict happening deep inside your brain, a battle between two different systems that control your attention. Think of it as having a manager and a guard living in your head. These two systems evolved for very different purposes, and in the modern world, they are constantly at odds. The first system is your voluntary attention, the manager. This is the conscious, deliberate part of your brain located in the prefrontal cortex. It's the part of you that sets goals and makes plans. Your manager is thoughtful and rational. It's what allows you to focus on complex problems, learn new skills, and direct your attention toward what you decide is important. However, your manager is also slow to engage and gets tired easily. It requires significant mental energy to keep this system running, which is why deep focus feels like hard work. The second system is your involuntary attention, the guard. This system is ancient, reactive, and rooted in the primal parts of your brain responsible for survival. The guard's job is to constantly scan your environment for anything unexpected, interesting, or potentially dangerous. It's not concerned with your long-term goals. It operates automatically and effortlessly. Its only mission is to alert you to changes in your surroundings, especially things that promise a quick reward or signal a potential threat. This is why a sudden noise, a flash of movement, or the buzz of your phone can instantly break your concentration. Your guard is simply doing its job. Here is the central problem. Your focused, goal-oriented manager is no match for the lightning-fast, high-alert guard. The guard always gets the first look at incoming information. For most of human history, this system kept us alive. It helped our ancestors notice a predator in the bushes or spot a rare source of food. But today, our environment is no longer a quiet savanna. It's a digital jungle filled with artificial triggers designed specifically to capture your guard's attention. Every notification, every alert, and every endless scrolling feed is engineered to be a bright, shiny object that your primal brain cannot ignore. This is the foundation of the modern attention economy. Companies profit by hijacking your involuntary attention system. They create products that feed your guard a constant diet of novelty and reward. Your manager, the part of you that wants to focus on your novel or your business plan, is forced into a constant battle with the guard, which just wants one more hit of dopamine from checking a notification. This endless tug-of-war is mentally exhausting. It drains your cognitive resources, leaving you feeling distracted, overwhelmed, and incapable of the deep work that truly matters. So when you fail to focus, it's not because you are weak. It's because your ancient brain wiring is being expertly manipulated by modern technology. The great insight here is that you cannot win this battle with willpower alone. Trying to force your brain to ignore these triggers is like trying to hold your breath indefinitely. Eventually, your primal instincts will take over. The manager system gets tired, but the guard system never does. The more you try to resist, the more mental energy you burn, making it even harder to focus on your actual goals. Relying on self-control to manage your attention in today's world is a losing strategy. The deck is stacked against you from a biological and a commercial standpoint. The solution isn't to fight harder, but to fight smarter. It's not about strengthening your willpower, but about changing the environment in which your brain operates. The key is to practice environmental design. Instead of trying to resist temptation, you simply remove it. You make focus the path of least resistance for your brain. This means turning off all non-essential notifications. It means putting your phone in another room when you need to do deep work. It means using tools that block distracting websites and creating physical spaces dedicated only to focus. Stop asking your brain to fight a battle it was never designed to win. Instead, become the architect of your own attention and decide for yourself what is truly worth paying for it.